Hey everyone, so for today's video I am very excited because I have an unboxing video. Not really an unboxing, it's more like an unbagging. So I just got this a few days ago from Hot Topic and I had it shipped to store because I was so afraid it might get lost in the mail or something, and I don't want to lose this because it is about $90 or $89.90 to be exact. Let's see how this looks like because I haven't actually looked at it completely. I did open it to see if it's like the right thing. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this jacket. Not only that, but for the movie because I love Harley Quinn. If you guys don't know, I cosplayed her Suicide Squad one. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. I tried to order this and use a discount, but it didn't work because it's a new product. It's a new item. I already made my version or my costume for this, and I will leave a link here if you guys haven't seen that yet. I made my own jacket, my own caution tape jacket, and it was time consuming, but it was so worth it. But I love this. I love that, you know, this one is not gonna get ruined easily because it's not ribbon material. It is cloth. It's a little bit curled, but I love that the sleeves is not plastic because it can get real hot in this costume, the one that I made. The sleeves are actually just a black fabric underneath. So easy to move around. I love that. And it has the tag, Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One, Harley Quinn, and it is by her universe. But I don't like the fact that they didn't fix the stitching. Look at all these like loose stitches for $90. That shouldn't be there for $90. Like, come on now. That is an expensive jacket just for this plastic thing. It has like a belt on the front, and the plastic material isn't that high quality. And I'm so bothered by this, by the stitching. It's not even precise. Like, what is that curve thing over there? Why didn't they just connect it? That just bothers me. And they didn't cut it straight. Look at that. You can tell. Maybe it'll look better once it's on. This is a size small, by the way. Another loose thread. I am usually a small for the top, but it looks like it's a little bit smaller. It fits me, but it's just a little bit too tight. It's more like a junior size maybe. I am 5'6", so I have long arms, and it looks like, so it doesn't go all the way to my hands, but that's okay because it covers it when your hands are just like down because of all of this fringes. But I love it. Yeah, it's like a rainbow on one side, and the other side is yellow, grayish, green, blue, and pink. When you go like this, you will see the black underneath. But overall, I love this jacket. I just don't like that it's $90. It's so expensive. For the quality, it's not worth $90. I would suggest getting it when it's on sale already, because yeah, just the sleeves are just like the cheapest material. The black underneath is a really cheap material. The stitching, some of it is not good, and how they cut some parts are not straight as well, and it's not long enough for my arms. Why Hot Topic? Why? But yeah, I do recommend this. It is very nice. This jacket isn't even that good quality as the one that I DIY'd. The plastic material for that one is thicker, and also the stitching is so much better. But yeah, I think it's a nice piece to have, especially if you're a Harley Quinn fan like me, because it takes a long time to make this kind of jacket. I was making mine for like 2 months or even more, because some days I just wouldn't make it. I would just get tired because I would do the same thing over and over and just put, yeah. If you haven't seen that, I will link it at the end of the video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click like, even if you didn't. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.